Hey guys, what is up? This here, finally, after a couple of weeks of waiting, is the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and it's been delayed quite a couple of days. I was meant to have this about 3 or 4 days ago, but it is here, so let's go ahead and have a look what the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is all about. This is probably the most exciting phone that I've ever bought, the most excited phone I'm ever about it. So pretty much the same here, not much going on, just the plain brown box that is there, but we shall open it up and see what is going on in here. The reveal of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is, there it is. So you can have a look just there. We can get rid of this bit here, don't need that. Oh, there's some Galaxy Buds Live in this. So if you pre-ordered this in the UK, like I said, it's a couple of days late. So for Samsung to say sorry, they gave you some Galaxy Buds Live. And I've already got a pair of these. So if you wanna win the Galaxy Buds Live, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment as well. And then I might just give these away. So have a quick look for those. So we'll deal with that in a minute. Let's get rid of that out of the way and look at it. There it is. Oh, this is so exciting. This finally is the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Look at it. Just the packaging on its own looks really nice, doesn't it? Okay, right, let's get into having a look at what the phone's all about. So I've gone for this one in Mystic Bronze. The last one I went for, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, I went in Mystic Black, but I want to see what this one would look like. So, oh, look at that. That just looks good, doesn't it? Like the box itself is just nice. So on top, you get this little bit of paper here, which just tells you a little bit about the Z Fold 2, just introducing you to what it is all about. But no one really cares about that, do they? So we'll get rid of that. Don't need to see that. On top, you have this little book, which I imagine has some SIM card tray and stuff in it. The SIM card tool, maybe. This is it. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And you know what? First impression is that this is so much heavier than you'd expect it to be. But, oh, just look at it. So it's got the care instructions on the front of it, because on the last Z Fold, people took it off, didn't they? Took off this protective film, and that is not what you should have done. And loads of screens got damaged. But should we peel together? Let's peel together. Look at that. Oh, listen to it. Listen to this. Oh, and that is nice. That matte finish on the back of it as well. That is what you're looking for. That's what you want with this phone. And in this Mystic Bronze color, oh, it just looks incredible, doesn't it? So good. You can see there's fingerprints on it already. And you can't see that crease, can you, too much? You can see it if you look at it like that in the light, but normally you can't really see it, and that is surprising actually. So you've got that smaller screen that is on the front there, which I think has got a screen protector on it. So we can take this one off here. And that just looks even better. So let's turn it on wherever the power button is on this. I've not looked at many videos about this or anything. I wanted to just be surprised by what it is, but look at that. You can see the camera there as well. Not as good as the cameras, I don't think, on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But I think when you get a phone like this, you just need to appreciate what it is. And it's just that opening, and that is why it's just so good. And that's a really nice screen. Like, it's perfect size. I thought it might be a bit too big, but it's just not. You can see the hole punch cut out in the top there as well. Let's agree to all of these. It's got a split keyboard there though, which I didn't think it would do. I thought it'd be like a full keyboard for this, just entering a Wi-Fi password, but I don't know if you can see or not, but there's definitely like a protective film. You can see it around the camera here. I don't want to take that off. I am not risking my life by taking that off at the moment. You also get in here the power brick. You then get your USB-C cable, and still you get these AKG headphones in there as well, which is nice to see. I don't think everyone gets them. I'm not 100% sure, but back to this. This is perfect, by the way. I've never been so happy. So the one thing that strikes me straight away about this phone is that it's heavy. Like, I didn't expect it to be as heavy as it was. It's quite a weighty phone, which I suppose is a good thing because you don't want it to be too light and think that, okay, you might drop it or whatever. So that is it. That is what the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is all about at the moment. One of my favorite phones I think that I've ever used already, just because of how different and how special it is. Like, it's just incredible. Like I said, if you like this video and you might want to win a pair of these Galaxy Buds Live, which Samsung sent out for free, subscribe, like it, and comment below as well. And then until next time, see you later.